What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video. So this is going to be a little bit of a tour of my underseat storage box. Got here on a 17 Silverado. I'm changing these lights out to something different and better. So I got my Apache Harbor Freight little box here. And I've got to redo these, but I've got my glass cleaner in this bottle. Invisible Clean chemical, guys. I gotta put that in another one of these. That's the Wolfgang Uber Rinseless 2, which has a little bit of SiO2. It's in a blue bottle. I'll show you that. And then some light scratches, or if I get a light scratch or something, VSS from Chemical, guys. It fits there. I've got to straighten it up just a little bit. I've got some towels, some window cleaning towels. I'll put my mitts back in. I just cleaned this thing again today. Have a tire inflator here. So let's open up this bag. As you can see, plugs in your cigarette lighter. Not sponsored by any of these brands or anything. Have my WD-40 with the flex straw for cleaning up these, lubricating the seals. Have this first aid kit. Have some bungee ties from Harbor Freight. Now these are reusable wire ties. These grip lock ties, these are the shit, I'm gonna tell you. So I gotta find a place, something more suitable for them. Just some storage here, one of those ties, some cleaning stuff, some pads, some terry cloths, and a husky strap bag. Also have a little sponge cleaner I'll stick back in here. The NOCO Boost GB50. So hold on and we'll open that up. Had this 3 years. It's been awesome. Comes with all the adapters and all. That's the GB50. Got that on a Black Friday deal. So that'll fit nicely. Tucked away in here. As I find all my other stuff. All this. Got my interior window kit. Also have the chemical, guys, which I'm getting ready to do my windows because I washed my truck today and all. Glass cleaning towels and the big waffle weave. Got, which has been awesome. It's getting warmer there. The WeatherTech sunshade kit. And we're gonna leave that out. Some chemical, guys, for detailing. I'm gonna take one of my little spray detailer, clean some dust off or something. I can. Also have the turtle wax towels. I'll rotate towels. Some kinetic rope. Fuses. Also have, wait a minute. It's not right. Also have some safety glasses. I'll put those in there for now. Raincoat. I can sit down in here. Some gloves from Mac. Always keep a spare pair of work gloves. Collapsible shovel with a longer handle. Some winter gloves. It's still kind of cold out. More fuses. J case for the different, because the Silverados have different fuses. There's a J case, plenty of them, all that I'd ever need. And I'll put my towels back in here later. So that's that side. And look at that. Gotta put the seat cover back on, but I'll do that in a minute. And also have the new snap-on tire inflator, which we'll do another video on that. How's that? Snap-on screwdriver. I gotta organize this crap. Got too much stuff laying around the floor here. So anyway, let's go around the other side. As you can see, nice and smooth. So that has to go back on with the seat cover when I'm done here. This is snap-on ratchets. It's got locking. It's not locking flex fed. One of them is. All my sockets that I'll ever need. And then here got the wrenches, metric, and SAU. Screwdrivers, mat pliers. This is neat. It's a little thinner ratchet wrench from Gear Wrench. I also have my cutters, vice grip, screwdrivers, some little lights as well. Vim, a Vim kit, Vim tools. And some of these straps, reusable straps, ties from Harbor Freight. I love those. Plus, everybody needs one of those extendable back scratcher. Yeah, boy. Yeah, Harbor Freight probably, I can't remember. And some balls for my changeable ball hitch, which is going to be getting switched out to a BMW. But the nice thing, this is also, love this company, Rhino USA. Awesome company. Their collapsible shovel I have. This kit I have, you can pull this tight. If I can get a hold of it so I can trim my fingernails. But anyway, I'll tighten that up, and you have a big giant strap that you can unclip, which is unclipped on me, or I unclipped it and forgot. Probably the latter, and the clips there. And nice, sturdy, solid rubber handle. This thing I've had for over 2 years, and I could not live without it because it goes back under here. So under here I got some more gloves, some more safety kits, some more gloves. I've got this kit here. Let's take that, show that. And these are like road flares. I find the and batteries must be dead. So yeah, I'll have to recharge them. I think they're batteries. So I'll just put some double A's or whatever, triple A's. There it is. That's a little spotlight. And there you go. Nice kit. 3 of them. Got them for Christmas one year. Come in a nice pouch. I need to make sure I've got batteries in the center console for it, so I'll take care of that. Also have my Chevrolet gloves. I have a bunch of those that I got from Fire Expos and all back in the day. Rhino USA straps for the bid. Little snap-on